How to transfer money from Venmo to Varo. To transfer money from Venmo to Varo, you'll need to link your Varo bank account to your Venmo account and then initiate the transfer. Open the Venmo app on your mobile device. Log into your Venmo account or create one if you don't have an account. Then you can see Profile, go there, then Wallet, then you can see Add Bank on Card. Add Varo Bank to your card. Then, come to your Profile section. From here, tap on this Manage button under the Wallet section right over here. A pop-up will come up. From here, simply tap on this Transfer to Bank option. It'll take you to this screen. Over here, you need to first click on this icon and then enter in the amount you want to transfer from Venmo to Varo. It'll then ask you to choose the withdrawal speed. On opting for this standard option, you will not be charged any fee, but if you go with the instant option, it'll charge a minimal fee for the withdrawal, and then hit Transfer at the bottom of the screen, and you're done. That's how you transfer money from Venmo to Varo.